Hi everyone, I'm Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode I am going to show you how to paint on glass and make your own custom personalized drinking glasses and cups. Now these are just basic drinking glasses. They're like the half size, they're not the really tall ones, but this technique would still totally work on the tall drinking glass size. But what we're going to do, it's super simple, but the effect is amazing. So we're just going to paint the bottom, just the very, very bottom of these glasses. So I'm just going to take some masking tape, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to make sure that that I'm only painting on the bottom of the glass. So I'm just going to wrap some paint, or I'm sorry, the tape around the base of the glass. So it looks like that. Okay, so there are our glasses. They're all taped up. And now I'm going to take our teal that we just did, our blue, and our green. And I've got 3 paintbrushes just so I don't have to go back and forth and wash. But super simple, just paint. You don't really even have to stay in between any lines or anything like that. You just paint that whole bottom of the glass. Okay, so there's one, and I'll come show you these when they're all done. I'll show them to you all at once. And then I'll show you the wow factor, because I've got some that are already done. So just painting that on. Have any of you ever painted with glass before? Or painted on glass? Not necessarily with glass, but painted on glass. I'd love to know what you guys have done with glass. One art that I've always thought is amazing is actually making stained glass windows. Actually cutting all of those little pieces and shaping them and fitting them together like a puzzle. That is just amazing. Okay, so right here I've got 1 coat on all of the bases of my glasses. Now for these I definitely will let them dry and add 1 more coat. So that effect is going to happen with these as well. I'm going to add 1 more coat, and then I'll let them sit for 4 days, because that's kind of their curing period, and then I'll bake them, and they are dishwasher safe. So I don't have to worry about spending a whole bunch of time on a craft that's just going to wash off in the dishwasher. These cups are totally my favorite. I love how easy they are just to paint the bottom, and just how gorgeous they are, how that color just travels through the glass. I want to thank you for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And as always, you can find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting!